Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Anjali Jadhav from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College. Today, we are going to learn few terminologies from the chapter Inheritance and Variation. Oh, what is this? Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor, along with their daughter Raha. What do you think Raha look like? Some of you might think that Raha looks like Ranbir Kapoor, and some might think that she looks like Alia Bhatt. All of you are very true. This could have happened because Raha have taken few characteristics from father Ranbir Kapoor and few characteristics from her mother Alia Bhatt. बच्चों इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Raha have got genes from her father and mother and इसी को ही inheritance कहते हैं. The transmission of genetic information from generation to generation is known as heredity or inheritance. This genetic information get transmitted with the help of gene. अभी आपके मन में आया होगा अब ये जीन क्या है? चलो देखते हैं. Now on the screen you can see a human being. Any organism, for example, human being is made up of cells. Human being is a multicellular organism and made up of many cells. So, ये सारे cells में से हमने लिया एक cell. Inside this cell, nucleus is present and nucleus consists of chromosomes. Now you can see here enlarged chromosome. This chromosome is made up of thread-like structure called DNA. DNA is double-stranded helical structure and segment of DNA is called gene. So, how will you define gene? Gene is a particular segment of DNA which is responsible for the inheritance and expression of that character. Alleles or allelomorph. To study the term allele, we will see this chart. Pea plant showing 7 pairs of contrasting character. Out of this, now we will see plant height, which can be tall or dwarf. Tallness is denoted by capital T and dwarfness by small t. So, these two are alternative form of a gene for height of pea plant, which are called alleles. Sometimes there can be more than 2 alternative form of a gene. They are called as multiple allele. So, allele मतलब क्या है? 2 or more alternative forms of a given gene are called alleles of each other. Allele is a short form of allelomorph. Gene for tallness can be capital T, capital T, or capital T, small t. Gene for dwarfness is small t, small t. When alleles are identical, then it is called homozygous. And when alleles are contrasting than heterozygous. Now, homozygous means an individual possessing identical alleles for a particular trait. Example, capital T are identical for tallness and small t identical alleles for dwarfness. Heterozygous मतलब क्या है? An individual possessing contrasting alleles for a particular trait. That is capital T and small t. One is capital, the other one is small. One represents tallness, the other shortness. So these are contrasting alleles for a particular trait. Now on the screen you can see tall P and short P plant. Tall and short are two phenotypes. Phenotype means external appearance of any individual for any trait. मतलब हमें प्लांट लंबा है या छोटा दिखता है. That is external appearance. But if plant is tall, the plant may have gene capital T or capital T and small t. If plant is short, gene is small t. We can't see the genes externally. So, the genetic constitution of an organism with respect to particular trait is genotype.